Hello everyone, we are going to start the revision of SST of Standard 4th. Question number 1, MCQs. It will be for 25 marks. From these MCQs, any 25 can come. So we have to make ready all 75 MCQs, okay? First number, India shares its borders with, answer is C, all of these. Second number, which is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland? Answer is A, Kanyakumari. Third number, in which continent is India located? Answer is B, Asia. Fourth number, which is the largest state in terms of area? Answer is B, Rajasthan. Fifth number, Wular Lake is situated in blank. Answer is A, Jammu and Kashmir. Sixth number, Garhwal and Kumaon hills are situated in. Answer is B, Uttarakhand. Sixth number, again I repeat, Garhwal and Kumaon hills are situated in Uttarakhand. Answer is B, Uttarakhand. Seven number, in which country is Mount Everest situated? Answer is A, Nepal. 8 number, which is the highest mountain range in the world? Answer is B, the Himalayas. 9 number, which of the following is the capital of Sikkim? Answer is A, Gangtok. 10 number, what do the foothills of the Sikkim form? Answer is B, Terai region. 11 number, Uttarakhand lies in blank ranges. Answer is C, Shivalik. 12 number, the main tributary of the river Ganga is. Answer is A, Yamuna. 13 number, the Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as. Answer is C, Tsangpo. 14 number, which dam is built across the river Satluj? Answer is C, Bhakra Nagar Dam. 15 number, the Ganga basin is also known as the. Answer is A, food bowl of India. 16 number, what do the rivers deposit as they enter the plains? Answer is A, fine silt or alluvium. Again, answer is A, fine silt or alluvium. 17 number, what gets drained by a river and its tributary? Answer is A, basin. 18 number, what is a tributary? Answer is A, small river that joins a large river. 19 number, what is the climate of the great Indian desert like? Answer is A, very hot and dry. 20 number, who are nomads? Answer is C, all of these. It means that Banjaras are also called as nomads and wander from place to place. They are also called as nomads. So answer is C, all of these. 21, what are the small hills of sand called? Answer is A, sand dunes. Answer is A, sand dunes. 22 number, what are the areas where underground water come up on the surface called? Answer is A, oasis. 23rd number, dust storms do not affect the vision of blank. Answer is C, camels. 24 number, which city is called Pink City? Answer is B, Jaipur. 25 number, where does the great Indian desert lie? Answer is B, Rajasthan. 26, the southern plateau lies to the south of river. Answer is A. Narmada. 27 number. The blank is one of the highest waterfall in India. Answer is B. Jog Falls. 28 number. Bhilai steel plant is situated in blank. Answer is C. Chhattisgarh. 29. Black soil is ideal for growing blank. Answer is A. Cotton. 30 number. What is the shape of the southern plateau? Answer is A. Triangular. 31st. Which river divides the huge plateau region into two parts? Answer is B. Narmada. 32. Where do the western and the eastern Ghats meet? Dear students, here this C number Himalayas, you have to cancel it and consider this answer A. Nilgiri Hills. Okay, again I repeat, 32 number, where do the western and the eastern Ghats meet? So correct answer is A. Nilgiri Hills. Okay, you just have to cancel this C Himalayas answer, you have to cancel and consider this A number Nilgiri Hills. Okay, this is the correct answer. 33. Which is one of the highest waterfall in India? Answer is A. Jog Falls. Again 33 number, which is one of the highest waterfall in India? Answer is A. Jog Falls. 34 number, which is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau? Answer is C. Godavari. 35 number, which soil is good for growing cotton? Answer is C. Black soil. 36 number, what is the Chota Nagpur region famous for? Answer is A. Mineral. 37 number, name the two main island groups of India. Answer is C. Both A and B. Answer is C. Both A and B. 38 number, Sabarmati Ashram is located near the city of? Answer is C. Ahmedabad. 39 number, name the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Answer is Kanyakumari. A. Answer is A. Kanyakumari. 40 number, name the most important port on Malabar coast. Answer is A. Kochi. 41 number, name the main crop of Lakshadweep Islands. Answer is C. Coconut. 42 number, which place in India gets the heaviest rainfall? Answer is C. Mizoram. 43 number, what are the strong winds that cause rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains in winter? Answer is A. Western disturbances. Answer is A. Western disturbances. 44 number, what affects the climate of a place? Answer is A. Temperature and rainfall. 45 number, what is low? Answer is C. Hot and dry winds that blow over North India in summer. 46. What makes the coastal areas cooler? Answer is B. Cool sea breeze. 47 number, resources are called the wealth of a nation. Answer is B. Natural. 48 number, natural resources are of blank types. Answer is A. 2. 49 number, metals, coal and petroleum are blank resources. Answer is B. Non-renewable. 50 number, petroleum is also called blank. Answer is A. Black gold. 51. What is green gold? Answer is A. Trees. 52. How is coal used? Answer is C. All of this. Means as a fuel to cook and to generate heat. Okay, for both the use we can use coal. So answer is all of these. C. Answer is C, all of these. 53 number, which of the following are natural resources? Answer is C, all of these. 54, what do the plants give us? Answer is C, both A and B. That means that plants give us food and oxygen both. So correct answer is C, both A and B. 55 number, blank of soil depends on many factors. Answer is A, fertility. Answer is A, fertility. 56 number, blank soil is very fertile. Answer is A, alluvial. 57 number, which of the following is true about the red soil? Answer is C, all of these. 58, how does laterite soil developed? Answer is A, as a result of leaching. 59 number, which is the best soil for growing crops? Answer is A, alluvial soil. 60 number, which is the alluvial soil found? 60 number, instead of which, where is the alluvial soil found? Answer is A, northern plains. 61, which soil formed from lava rocks? Answer is A, black soil. 62, Shillong is the capital of? Answer is B, Meghalaya. 63, bamboo dance is a popular folk dance of blank. Answer is C, Mizoram. 64, the capital of India is blank. Answer is A, New Delhi. 65, India has blank states. Answer is B, 29. 66, what is the capital of Gujarat? Answer is B, Gandhinagar. 67, bamboo dance is a popular folk dance of blank. Answer is A, Mizoram. 68, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia are the main tribes of this region. Answer is B, Meghalaya. 69, the Yamuna is the main tributary of river blank. Answer is A, Ganga. 70 number, Qutub Minar and Red Fort are in blank. Answer is A, Delhi. 71, blank is known as the sheep of the desert. Answer is A, camel. 72, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is blank. Answer is B, Bhopal. 73, Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance of? Answer is A, Tamil Nadu. 74 number, which is the largest city of Gujarat? Answer is B, Ahmedabad. 75, Mumbai is the capital of blank. Answer is A, Maharashtra. Dear students, here we have completed question number 1 of MCQs. Total 75 MCQs are there, and from that 25 can be asked. So you have to make it ready, all these 75 MCQs. In the next video we are going to check out the question number 2. Thank you.